Welcome to Sunday Reading and Exploration Corner Motivational Poem Session. This is an excerpt from the book Fancy Australia for Breakfast by Ian Souter. When I was younger, about 4 and a lot smaller, especially my brain, I used to think that people had been paid to work inside our television. Talking, singing, acting, dancing, sporting, and all done, with a giant light shine behind them. Very clever people, I used to think, but very stupid me, I now think. Anyway, one morning I came downstairs and I couldn't wake up the television up, nor the people inside. No matter how much I shouted, played on and off with its buttons, or knocked on its thick window, its great curtains stayed firmly closed. Dad arrived and moaned, then sent for the special TV man, who came quite quickly, with a big black suitcase and a big white smile. He soon unlocked the television's back door, then stepped his hand inside, but a minute later, he had disappeared back to his van to collect more luggage. So while he was away, I crept into the television and stopped my right foot, where the back door should have been. At the same time, bent my face round to the window screen just to see if I would appear on television, but nothing. So I squeezed at a quick look inside the television's house, and do you know, there was nobody in it. And do you know, there was nobody in? All those people had got so fed up of living inside television that they had sneaked out and gone home. That's what I used to think, but now I'm older and nearly 6. I know where they're really gone. They all have moved into the video recorder. Whether or not summer, winter, rain, sun, the weather is something I think about a lot. It can be so many different things, as hot as a steaming baked potato, or as cold as an erupting ice lolly, as comforting as your favorite teddy, or as shiny as a little late night horror film. And when it changes, it can do so in just a blink of an eye. Summer's cooking. The sun sets fine, while a liquid blue spills across the sky below. Cream-covered waves from froth and foam, as a hungry sea bites into toasted sands, as skins full of people sizzle and spit. Like, like sausages in a pan, what a meal of the day. Rain. The rain comes, squelching, squelching, squirming, squirting, squeezing, squishing out of the sky. Buttons of water bubbling through the air, bursting like tiny bombs. Sputtering, spluttering, spilling, spitting, spraying, sprinkled on. The earth, the trees, the mountains and the sea, but above all, especially Pilp on me. Meanwhile, I flashed in and out of the bathroom, quickly shaking hands with sponge, toothbrush, and towel. Then, as I crept into my bedroom, tired, so tired, my bed performing magic tricks in front of me, I said actually good night to the dark and whispered a warm welcome of here I come to that mysterious friend called sleep. In the morning it was so cold. I thought I had fallen asleep inside an ice cube, but for once I didn't seem to mind. As I slipped from my warm envelope of sheets, stretched, slippered my feet, and stood up, fully clothed, you see. I'd fallen asleep with my clothes on. Needless to say, I was first done for breakfast.